Hey guys, so we're at the business end of this machine, the new KB90. It's got the ergonomically front entry portafilters. What I love about this is very easy to use, very easy to clean. It's also quite amazing. You won't wear the wings out on your portafilters. When you put a portafilter in, normally you have to turn it. That wears the wings out, wears your gasket out really fast as well. And sometimes you have to shim your gasket as well, so that because of your worn wings and your worn top of the head, that's happening. That won't happen on this particular machine. If you want to clean this machine out, it's very easy. There's a little lever there, you drop that down, you give that screen a clean, and then you pull that up. It is quite hot, but I can pop that in there, and it'll take a beating, I can assure you of that. One of the greatest designs ever. Like I mentioned earlier, we thought this particular machine was just a linear PB. How wrong was I? First of all, it's got multi-boilers for each group head, so they're individual. That wasn't the case in the PB. What else does it have? It's got cool touch wands. I can turn this steam on. Feels a bit weird, but I can actually grab that. The first few times I was a bit tentative, because you feel like you're going to burn yourself, but I can assure you, you can hang on to that and you won't burn yourself if you grab it at the top end. Here, these steam wands, they come off very easily. There's a row of O-rings and gaskets that you can change, so making servicing very quick and easy as well. We've got the drip prediction here as well, so on the ABR, or it's now called with scales, we don't need to worry about calculating your drips in there. It's got drip prediction, so it's going to know that as well. You've got the mixing valve for the hot water tap, so that's over here. So if you're going to use your hot water tap, you'll see that it's just coming out nice and slow and easy. It's not like a dragon hissing at you, which some will be like, so we certainly love that feature as well. I think it's time now we make an espresso. We've got the Ceado E37T grinder, which is one of the coolest grinders going around. The reason being is it will grind straight into your portafilter. It won't make a mess anywhere. It's nice and fast as well. Pop it down there like that, let it go. There you have it. That's how you should make espresso. Okay. We've got this set to mass mode at the moment, so I think it's running for about 32 grams. We'll steam that milk once again, just grab it, it's nice and easy. Good crema there. We like to see that, but to be honest, I wouldn't think we'd have anything different from Marzocco. These guys have spent 10 years thinking about the next machine they wanted to make, and this is what they came up with. There you have it, the KB90 Marzocco, brand new. Already had a customer in here today that's ordered one. We look forward to hearing from you. We hope that you're interested in this particular machine. If you've got any questions, give us a call or check us out at Coffee Machine Depot USA. Thanks for watching.